Welcome guys, today I'm with the Vivo X80 Pro and I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks in this smartphone. So to open the Pro mode you have to open for sure the camera application, and then the Pro mode will appear right here between the video and the more modes. So as you can see, when we are here at the first, we can find two panels, the first one and the second one. At the first we are going to focus on this one, but let's tap on this information icon right here, and when you make it, as you can see, that's help instruction. Okay, that's strange. Okay, as you can see, that's some kind of the bug. Actually, we're right now we have this panel and we can actually adjust the parameters, but we are in the instruction, so let's go back. Okay, okay, as you can see, that's some kind of the bug in this camera, but let's try one more time. Okay, right now we are here. It looks like it works right now. So we got the instruction of each parameter, so you will know what is the exposure compensation, the shutter speed, or for example the white balance. And if you are not inside the photographic stuff, I can recommend you to read this data to know what to do with these parameters. And right now I'm gonna show you these parameters, how we can adjust them, and yeah, so let's start. The first one right here, it's the exposure compensation. We can get it -3 and a +3. So as you can see, we can decrease or increase the brightness level with this parameter. Another one is ISO. We can get from the 50 to 3200, and of course we can adjust automatically by tapping on this button. Another one is the shutter speed. The maximum it's 32 seconds. That's a lot of actually, and we can also set it automatically. Another one is the white balance. As you can see right here, we can find presets, and that's also this manually slider. Okay, let's get it one more time. Wait, it's some kind of the bug. Another one, or I just misclick? Yeah, I probably misclick. So yeah, that's the color tune. We can reset parameters by tapping right here. Another one is the focus. We can also set it automatically, and here is the spot metering. Right now we can go for this panel. Right here we got the flashlight. We can change photo format. That's some kind of the size, natural color. We can of course get APC is the photo perspective. Okay, so we can change the photo perspective in real time. That's actually interesting. I never use it, and I also never seen something like that in any phone. Looks cool, but honestly I don't know how to use it, but it looks impressive. And here we can for example enable the level matter, stabilization, the grid lines, camera timer. We can also change the aspect ratio, and that's few useful options. And for me, that's all for the Pro mode in the Vivo X80 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.